Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a highly engaging videos using the Vidful AI. Whether you're making content for social media, marketing or storytelling or personal projects, this AI-powered tool can help you generate, edit, and enhance videos with ease. So let's get started. So what is a Vidful AI? It is advanced AI-powered video creation tool that lets you generate stunning high quality videos using text based prompts and uses AI driven motion effects, automated editing, and voice synthesis to make video production easier and faster. And it provides the key features of AI video generation, text to video, voice over and caption, motion effects and transition, and customizable styles. So here are the steps to create engaging video with Vidful AI. Number one is to choose your video type and format. Vidful AI supports different video styles, so first decide what type of video you need. Example, a popular video formats like social media reels, explainer video and tutorials, marketing and promo videos, cinematic AI generated clips, and animated storytelling. Number two is to write a detailed script or prompt. The more detailed your prompt, the better AI generated video will understand the idea. And then here are the key elements included to your prompts: the scene and settings, characters and actions, camera angles and effects, mood and styles. And you can also customize your video styles and effects. The Vidful AI allow you to adjust color grading, motion effects, AI voiceovers, background music, and captions and subtitles. Enhanced with AI editing and refinement, you can offer an automated video editing tools. You can also use a trim and cuts clips, add text and overlays, apply filters and LUTs, and sync audio and video. And the pro tip, keep it short and attention grabbing. Use dynamic transitions. Choose a right music and optimize a mobile and social media and test and improve. And that's it. Now you know how to create engaging videos with Vidful AI. What type of videos do you want to create? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.